This is the rear elevator at the Rampark Garage in Lincoln, Nebraska. This is going to be 4K 30 frames take on the 1976 Dover elevator. Let's take a final ride. So here we go. Here it comes. It's up on 3. And here it is. Let's go to 6. Here we go. Still traction to me as well. It is. Here's 6. Let's go back down to the street level. Features, Survivor Plus Vandal Resistance, Phono way over there, Dover, Snap Cap, Fornicator, here are the street level. Alright, here we are. Alright, that's it.